Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle kaleidoscope. First, gather your essential materials. You will need 3 rectangular mirrors, all the same size, along with a circular base and a clear top disc. Also, prepare your colorful objects like beads or glitter, which will create the mesmerizing patterns. Don't forget strong adhesive, scissors, and a ruler for precise measurements and secure assembly. Now, let's construct the heart of your kaleidoscope, the mirror assembly. Carefully arrange your 3 mirrors to form an equilateral triangle. It is crucial that the reflective surfaces are all facing inward. Use strong tape to securely fasten the edges together, creating a stable triangular prism. This precise arrangement is what generates the beautiful, repeating patterns you will soon enjoy. Next, we will create the object chamber. Firmly attach the mirror prism to the exact center of your circular base using a strong adhesive. Now, carefully place your colorful beads, glitter, or small translucent objects inside this chamber, around the base of the mirror assembly. Finally, position the clear top disc over these objects and securely seal its edges to the base, completely enclosing your chosen items. For the final touches, ensure all components are securely attached and firmly in place. Double-check that the mirror assembly is stable and the object chamber is sealed. Now, hold your completed kaleidoscope up to a bright light source. Slowly rotate the entire device and watch as the colorful objects inside transform into an endless array of intricate and mesmerizing patterns. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.